Good morning, preschool friends. How are you this morning? I thought we needed to check the weather today. Now, it's not like at school. I don't have our weather chart to do. I should have brought it home. But I didn't know if we were going to have a day at school today or a remote day. So, are you ready to sing the song? What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? Today, Now it's tricky today because I think we should choose something a little bit different. Even though it's not coming down from the sky, what do you see? I'm looking out the door. What is all that white stuff? Today is a snow day. So I see lots of snow out there. And it's sunny too, which means it's a fun snow day. Because if your parents, if your mom and dad, if your grandma, if your aunt and uncle, if whoever you're staying with tells you that you can go outside and play today, today would be a fun day to play in the snow. But now, let's see. If I'm going to go outside in the snow, I need something on my feet. I'm not sure. I have two choices here. Maybe you can help me out with this. So I have my favorite flip-flops. What do you think? Would those be a good choice for me to walk out into the snow? I also have these. Do you know what those are called? Boots. You're right. They're boots. So which one would be the best thing to put on my feet if I'm going to walk outside in the snow? What do you think? Flip-flops. Boots. We can talk about it. With the flip-flops, where are my toes going to go? Do you remember what snow's like? Is it warm? Or is it... Oh, you're right! It's cold! Maybe flip-flops wouldn't be a good choice. I think my toes would get really cold. Would my toes be covered in my boots? You're right, they would. So I think I'm going to put my boots on and maybe I'll go outside and see what the snow's like. Do you guys remember our story that we read yesterday? It was called The Important Book. We read something about snow. Do you remember what it said about snow? What's the important thing about snow? Do you remember? I actually think there's several important things about snow. One of them was that it is... Do you remember what color snow is? You remember? I'm going to grab something out of the kitchen real quick. I'm going to get a bowl. You'll see why. So what was one of the important things about snow? What color is snow? Is it purple? Is it pink? Blue? Should we look? What color is the snow? You're right. It's white. It is white and bright. I think we said that. And light. Well, let's look and see. So if I pick it up, it's pretty light. Now, did we say it was warm or cold? You're right. It is cold. Definitely cold. I should have gloves on. Or maybe mittens. But this is what I'm going to do. I am going to take my bowl. You guys see my bowl? And I'm putting snow in it. Ooh, look at all that snow. I'm going to take it inside. What do you think is going to happen inside? Is it warm or cold inside? Hopefully. I am going to put it in the kitchen. And I'm going to see what happens to it today. I'm going to keep an eye on it. You guys can do the same thing if you want. But remember, you have to ask your family. You have to ask the person that's with you today if it's okay. So here it is. It's got my snow in it. Putting it on the counter. I'm going to put the lid on it. Maybe that'll keep it cold. I don't know. We'll check in later and see what it's like. All right, guys, I'll see you a little bit later. Bye.